Hello and welcome to my tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to secure your rhinestones so that they don't fall off. Also, we are going to make a very easy and interesting nail design. When you join your two fingers together, it reminds you of a liana on your nails made out of rhinestones. To recreate this look, you're going to need a milky base coat. I have already cured it in a lamp. Then a top coat. I have put a very thin layer of a top coat, but I don't cure it at this moment because I take my art brush, put a little bit of a top coat on it, and then take my golden flakes and spread them randomly all around my nail. It would be better if you use green rhinestones in our manicure because we're trying to recreate a liana on our nails. But if you don't have them, or for example you don't have golden flakes, you can replace them with any glitter that you have or any other flakes, or just use a plain color, for example green nails and some white rhinestones on them. And now I'm going to share with you some professional tips which I use while securing my rhinestones on my nails. The first tip is to use the right material. I am using a special glue for the rhinestones. It is cured in a lamp, that's why I have enough time to put all the rhinestones on my nails and only after that cure it in the lamp. You can also use a gel, like builder gel, or a thick base coat. I use my art brush, take a little bit of glue and draw a diagonal line from one corner of my nail to another one that is on a free edge. Then I take my wax pencil, set some rhinestones and put them on my nails according to the scheme that you see right now on the video. So you will need the rhinestones of different sizes. 3 sizes I've used in this video. First you take 3 rhinestones of the biggest size, then 2 of a smaller one, and then 3 of even smaller. Correct the position of your rhinestones with a pencil or your nails if it's needed. And now we have to take some golden beads of a big size first and set them according to the scheme that we have here. Again, I take my art brush, put a little bit of glue there, and then take my beads. I need to put first 4 big ones on one side of the stripe, then 4 big ones on the other side of the stripe, and then I put the smaller ones in between my other rhinestones. Please try not to forget that we have to cure everything in a lamp only after we have put everything on its place. All the rhinestones, all the beads, the big ones, the small ones, we corrected everything with a pencil to make a nice and wavy kind of stripe in diagonal. And only after that just cure everything in a lamp during 1 minute if you have an LED lamp. If you have a UV lamp, just for 2 minutes. And again, if you don't have the golden rhinestones, you can use silver ones, it's not a problem. Or it can be of any color, just they have to be smaller than your rhinestones. And of 2 sizes, of course. If you understand that your art brush is not picking up the beads, just put a little bit of glue on it and it will help you take the small beads easily. So now when I'm sure that everything is on its place, I just cure my manicure in the lamp for 1 minute. After that, I just take my top coat and cover my nails with it. I try not to put the top coat on the rhinestones because otherwise they would lose its shine. So just be careful and don't put it on the rhinestones. Don't cure it in the lamp yet, just take your art brush, put a little bit of top coat on it and go in between your rhinestones and beads. And this is the second pro tip how to secure your rhinestones. Now you can cure it in the lamp, and to create this liana look you have to decorate your thumbnail the same way but just in reflection. If you have any questions, feel free to ask me. I will be glad to help you. And I hope that you like this design as well as I do because it looks like jewelry and also it's a great fun to play with. Have a nice day.